We back at it with the video's up. So we got we're on the road to 100 subscribers, and fucking after we hit 100, you know, already know it's 1,000 subscribers, so you already know. But we got the 636. I don't know why I always say 3. It's the 636 we got, right?
The 600, bro. The 07, the 08, bro, they didn't make the 636.
Really?
Yeah, so my 6 is a regular 600.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure.
Shit, we'll look. Shit, they would know. But yeah, I mean, for the work, how long did it take you to like do the work on their bike?
I bought it in December 4th.
Oh, so like a month? Like a month?
No, it took 2 months, bro. Like all this is not here. Everything underneath it was like messy. Like even like the holding brackets and shit.
Yeah.
It's gone. Everything's messy. The headlights is cracked. Jerry rigged it together to where like it looked like everything was like good.
Yeah.
And then you started taking shit like off. I was like, oh.
Hey, at least it wasn't like no animals or nothing, some bullshit like that in there. Right. Rats and this whole type of shit. But so you try to go up this road? Alright. I'm familiar with the road. I usually ride that sometimes. We I think it spits fire too, to be honest. Let me know if you... Any fire spitting? I don't know. Oh shit, I didn't even know you were right there. Nah. Dang, I wonder if it's even safe for us to ride our bike over here. Like off. Nah, I mean, nah, cause I was like, I kind of wanted to go over there, but I don't even think it's safe to go over there. But it's just the view. It's the view for me. Really? Alright. Oh man. Yeah. Well, oh really? Well, I gotta be back at the crib by like 3-ish. Yeah. I don't even know what time it is now, but it is what it is. It's what? Really? You lying. So what? Yeah, 'cause I think I've been up here before, but not that often. I'm not familiar with it too much, but I'm trying to see if I see any landmarks that I can really grab on. I'm sure it runs into Yom, so once we run into Yom, I'll kind of have an idea. Yeah. Yeah. we see you use that road a couple times. Alright, I stood up real quick. I was like, oh. Oh, you do. Hey, at least he waved back. I'm just trying to see what this road looking like. I'm just trying to see what the road looking like, how the turns look. Panda in it. What kind of, where the fuck? Yeah, probably. But I don't know. Oh, actually, I think I was supposed to go that way. I was supposed to go that way. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, cause my oh, they stopping anyway. Look at that. Look at God. Flip. Yeah, I'm good. I was like, fuck, there's a puddle. Yeah. Yeah. Dang. Oh, they about to get coffee from the baristas? The bikini-ristas?